It is day 5 of Trafalgar's 10-day Scandinavian capital tour, and we're going to be enjoying a scenic drive today. We're driving to Stockholm. So we're going to be going past the largest lake in Sweden called Lake Vänern, maybe? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out the symbols over the letters. But we're going to be also stopping for lunch in the countryside, and we're going to be visiting a husband and wife team, Nicholas and Anna, and we're going to be going to their century-old church. They're going to explain their philosophy of using local produce to delight all of our senses. Then we're going to be off to Stockholm, and we're going to be able to enjoy Stockholm. Hopefully today the weather will be nice. It's raining right now, but we're going to be going to the first ice bar in the world, and that's a fantastic way to end the day because today is Heejen's birthday. So Heejen gets to spend her birthday in Norway and Sweden, and we'll finish it off with some different types of alcohol. And as a birthday present to her, I will not be recording her facial expressions like I have been. So happy birthday, Heejen. So we have made it to Stockholm. We are doing the cool capital excursion with Trafalgar. So we're up here checking out the coolest view of the city, and then we're going to go to the first ice bar in the world. So if you're interested in Stockholm and drinking alcohol out of ice blocked cups in 19-degree weather, then stay tuned.
Smell it? No?
No smell it, just chug it.
It smells sweet.
Just chug it.
Did you go for a walk, get some mileage in?
Oh, thanks for telling me. All right, well, this is what we got. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's apple.
Oh, that is sweet.
I don't know what the problem is. I'm just more manly than you.
I hope so.
I hope so too. So it is August 15th. It is Heejen's birthday today. We have just made it into Sweden. We just crossed the border about 2 kilometers ago. So we are at the shopping center to go to the bathroom, and I'm going to take Heejen to the candy shop. We'll see how this stop goes. It's pretty nice. Apparently the Norwegians come over here to Sweden because it's cheaper because of the currency exchange, and then the Swedes go into Norway to work because they get a higher wage. So I guess it's a tit for tat. I'm in a store called Eurocash, and it is a grocery store. I've never been to a Swedish grocery store, and let's go check it out. it's like a one-way stop. You can only go like in a U. The aisles don't go this way all the way. So it looks like it's set up like an American grocery store where all the healthy stuff is on the outside and all the other stuff is in the middle. So I'm trying to find the middle stuff. It's a long trip. All this candy and no Swedish fish. Alright, so no Swedish fish, but I'm going to go meet Heejin in the candy shop and see if they got some Swedish fish there. So we'll see. I'm hungry, so I might hit Burger King. Get something for the bus. I don't know. We'll figure it out. They said no hot food on the bus. But it's Burger King, so I doubt it's going to come in hot anyway. So you see how it says 9-21? A lot of the stores here have those numbers. That's what time it opens. It's open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. or 2100. This is insane. It's set up like a produce section, but it's just candy instead of fruit and vegetables. Swedish fish, but they don't call them Swedish fish. They call them pastelfisk. So, and then sirring pastelfisk. So, just so you know, if you come to Sweden, don't look for Swedish fish. You won't find them. So, what do you think about the candy shop?
Diabetic coma.
Diabetic coma?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, not the beef jerky part, but. If I could read it to see what it was, I would have bought more.
Yeah.
But I couldn't, so I kind of grabbed what I could read.
Yes, and it's interesting though that Swedish fish is not Swedish fish
No.
in Sweden. Fishy, 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 fishy. So, and I got the most Swedish candy around, Pringles original. So, well, we got what you
Swedish
got?
lemon candy for Ethan
Okay.
and some other half chocolate ball thing. I don't know what it is. It's
Alright.
just red chocolate.
Well, we got 2 more hours to our next stop, so see you there. Well, we have been in Sweden for about an hour and a half now. We did a quick stop because we're about an hour from our experience with a local for lunch. So they only have 2 bathrooms, so we stopped off here so that the majority of everybody could use the bathrooms without tying up at our lunch stops. Back on the bus. We just got to our Be My Guest lunch, where husband and wife team Nicholas and Anna will welcome us to a wonderful lunch. Now, this building behind us is over 100 years old, and they purchased it in 2020 and renovated it and turned it into this restaurant. Now, Nicholas is a multi-award winning chef. He's even been in the Chef Olympics here in Sweden. So I'm looking forward to what we're going to eat. So let's go check out this awesome opportunity. We have just arrived in Stockholm. We're doing our first excursion and we're hitting the ice bar before going to dinner. So it's 19.4 degrees inside. We get a little parka that we got to wear. We get a drink and we're going to go have some fun. So let's go check out this place. I heard it's really cool. How cool is it that they can get these designs inside of glass? That's pretty awesome. Happy birthday.
That's a text from my wife. I remember that guy.
You good? Look, I'm giving you credit because it's in ice, so it's not as easy to sip. What do you think? She got the Anchorage, I got the Abisko.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
She hasn't been over and left the camera frame yet. That's a start. Maybe with her old age now, she's gotten a tolerance to alcohol. And maybe I'll be sleeping on the floor. Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday. You can have mine.
Oh, bye. So what would you think about the ice bar?
I'm trying to compare it to one in Alaska. It's not as cold. It's a lot smaller, definitely.
Yeah, which is a little
But
ice bar. It's still pretty nice.
Yeah.
The sculptures were nice.
Yeah.
I liked it. Drinks were all right. In the other one, it was just a set drink. So this
Yeah.
one, you got different drinks. So that was pretty
I like the martini glass better because you could drink it easier.
Yeah, so you can chug it.
Yeah, chug it.
If you ever come to Sweden, to Stockholm, you hit the ice bar up. It's the first one in the world. So often imitated, but never duplicated. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.